Right guys, welcome back to Bloodline Bikers, and if you can see here, I've got my two BMW GSs. Both are the same, both are GS1200s, but many of you already have clocked the difference. Now many people didn't believe I could do this, but I'm going to be showing this on a video coming up. How I did it, but I just wanted to show you the differences right now, because as I said, I was going to do that, and like I said, I'm a man of my word. People thought I wasn't going to do it because I'm probably hiding something, or it's not the same, or this, that, the other, but you can clearly see the differences, and I'm going to move out of the way so you guys get a better look at what I'm showing you. So if you look at both the GSs, you can see the height difference between my wife's one and my one. You can see that just by this right here, how much lower it is. And everyone actually clocked this on the video when I first did it. I didn't really need to say anything. I didn't really want to tell people anything, but yes, mine is a lot shorter, and you can see the difference between here, between my wife's one and my one. My one's a lot lower. Okay, it isn't too much lower because obviously you can damage the electronic suspension, but I was able to lower it within a set amount to be able to get mine a lot lower than the original height. Now I'm going to show you, for instance, when I get on my wife's one, the height difference you'll be able to see when I stand it up. So when I pick it up, you can see there, right, the difference, okay? That's my wife's one, and it's not as easy to flat foot as my one is, okay? And this is her one. Nothing's been done. I haven't lowered it. I haven't done anything. This is just the standard height. Now, if I get onto my one, which is right here, and I go on my one here now, you can see the difference, how my feet both touch the floor, and everyone tried to say to me, oh, your feet are standing up on it, in the corner there, both feet ain't flat. No, both my feet are flat on this. You can see here, I'm standing up on it as well. Okay, my feet can fully touch the floor. Yet people tried to say one of my feet was swinging. No, both my feet are on the floor, completely on this bike. I know it ain't easy for you to see. So what I'll do is I'll move the camera so you guys can see it clearly, because I don't want none of that again where people seem to think I'm lying, because I don't need to lie. I'm not giving you guys false promises. I'm not telling you guys anything that ain't true. I'm going to zoom in as well so you guys can see exactly my feet touching the floor on this bike. So here we are. I'm going to get on this bike and you guys can see both my feet, both on the floor, which people tried to tell me my feet were swinging. You can see here, both my feet are touching comfortably on the floor here, on this bike. That's how low it is. Now, like I said, I'm 5'10", but my wife is 5'4", and she's able to flat foot this as well. Okay, and both my feet are touching. You can see here, nothing's swinging. As someone tried to say in one of the comments that, oh, one of your feet are swinging on the corner. You would like to think that, and it would make your guys' day if you thought that I was lying somehow. But no, how many of you can actually flat foot this bike? I don't think many of you can flat foot it, but I'm here proof that you can flat foot this. And you can see the height difference between mine and my wife's right there. And I'm gonna zoom back out, and me sitting on this, you'll be able to see the height difference between hers and mine, even on the kickstand. You'll be able to see it because hers stands much, much higher than mine. You can even see by the bars, hers stands higher than mine, you know, and it's ridiculous when you think about it. That's why it has to come down. Because you see, there's another misconception that a lot of people seem to think you're short and this, that, the other, because as I said, cameras and video is very deceiving to people. It makes you look either taller or smaller or bigger than you really are, which is simply not the case. So on her one, you can see here, my foot can't fully touch the ground on this one. You can see here, on this side, I'm like this, but on my one, I can flat foot it completely. What you can't flat foot on both sides, which is why my wife is saying she don't like this. She needs me to lower it because I can fully flat foot that, and so can she. But on this one, on this side, I'm like this. So you can see there, my foot is actually up and my other foot is fully down. You can't get both feet down, but on my one, you can. So if I go ahead and just lift up my one as well, you can see that the height is completely different on both of them. Very different. And this is the problem as to why you can't flat foot this fully like you can on my one. And this is why I've got to rectify this, because my one is so much more comfortable than my wife's one. And I've noticed that the whole time. Mine is a lot more comfortable. This is just like ridiculous to ride. And you know, it doesn't give you that kind of confidence to ride it, especially when you're short. And these should, and you've got to be able to adapt these for short riders, which is something I managed to find a workaround for. Everyone's saying, oh, you can't do this, you can't do that. Yes, you can. There is a hack involved in it. You have to hack the ESA system to be able to do that. But it doesn't destroy it. It doesn't, my bike does not ride like crap, as many people would say. But many people will sit there and say that my bike now rides like crap, this, that, the other. They would hate to be riding this because it must handle like crap, ride like that. No, my ESA is actually very, very soft. all I've done is hack the ESA software to be able to counter it, to be able to make it just that much lower. And you guys are making it like it's a lot lower. So it hasn't bring it down to much on the ESA. It really hasn't. And you can see there, my hand just sitting even here. They're not the same height. They're just about that much difference. So realistically, how is that going to affect your ESA? It doesn't. It does not, but it helps being able to give you the confidence of being able to ride it. If you go into, for instance, any kind of dirt terrain and you're going to slip out, you need to be able to get your foot down to stop the bike sliding out, you know, and that's what that helps with, being able to get your foot down quick enough. Where when you can't fully touch the floor, you've got more chance of losing control of the bike. But a lot of people sat here trying to tell me your feet can't touch. Oh, I was doing it against the doors. They couldn't see. I've got nothing to hide. A lot of people, I'm going to be proving this. And you know what I love? There's nothing I love more than proving all you people who comment wrong. I love doing that. I've done it all my life on YouTube, because there's a lot of people on YouTube who will comment. They don't do videos, they do nothing. And you click on them, they've got no account. They just like to comment saying this, that, the other, but they hate because they don't know how I've done it. And then I go and prove them wrong, and they hate even more because I'll just keep proving you doubters wrong. Because there's a lot of people that end up doubting me, saying you can't do this, you can't do that. I'm proving to you I can do it. I will keep doing that because I'm just one of them guys. And you can sit here and say I'm arrogant, I'm full of myself. Yes, I am. Everybody knows that. My main channel, anyone will tell you that knows me, I am one of the biggest arrogant pricks you will ever come across. That is facts, and I am not ashamed to sit here and say that. I'm arrogant, I'm stuck up, I'm selfish, I'm an angry person, I'm everything you can think of. I don't care. Call me what you like. I am very proud of being all of that. Because guess what? Without being all of that, I wouldn't be in the position I am today. Because let's face it, how many of you guys watching have as many bikes as me? I think not hardly none. How many of you have got as many cars as me? Hardly none. So it all comes from being my way. Being arrogant has got me where I needed to, and it still has to this day and age. If you look at the views on this channel, damn, I think I'm doing very, very well compared to other bike channels, because I know the algorithm, I know where I'm conquering, and I know what I'm doing. And I do the right videos that the people are looking for and the people are wanting to see. Having a creator manager alongside me, you know, telling me what videos to hit out, how to get to the people, is obviously helping. But there's many people out there, I just want to put this out there. Do not underestimate me. Do not tell me this, that, the other, because I will always come with another video to shut you down. I will shut your claims down very, very quickly to make you look a fool. The only difference on this is not like TikTok where I can tag, you know, your comment to make you look a fool. So therefore I'm having to just, you know, leave it. Obviously I'd have to pin it up here, but there's a lot of people who say to me, you can't lower it. I'm going to prove you wrong on that. There's a lot of people who say, ain't that lowered, your feet can't touch. Well, I've just proved that. There's people telling me, no, it ain't lowered, you can't lower it, you can't do this. Well, look at the difference right there and you can see mine's lower. Look at my lights. My lights tell you everything you need to know, how low my one is, my actual spotlights compared to that. And I know many of you are going to sit there and say, oh, well, it's on the different side of the kickstand. No, being on the opposite side of the kickstand, whatever way you look at it, doesn't make a difference. It does not make a difference just because they're leaning opposite sides. Not a chance at all. It is what it is. And whether you like it or not, mine is a lower version. And guess what? I ride it perfectly. My feet can touch. And this one's going to be the same because, you know, let's face it. Who wants to ride a bike that your feet are actually tiptoeing? Nobody in their right mind wants to. And like I said, any of you that come with claims that this can't be done, that can't be done, I can't wait. I'm going to shut it down because I've had enough. I've had enough of you people that say it can't be done when I'm proof it can be done. And like I said, call me arrogant, call me a self-righteous prick, call me whatever you want. I am that, and I'm very proud to be that. Because you know why then people call me that name and call me all their names? It's purely because they don't like that I can sit here confident and cocky and say, I can do it, and then show you I can do it, and then I can sit there and laugh in your face. And that is what has made me successful for all these years and why I keep being successful. Why my other channel is so successful and keeps growing and people don't understand why. Because I don't talk crap. When I say I'm going to do something, unlike a lot of these YouTubers that come on here, talk a lot of bollocks, I'm not one of them that does that. When I say I'm going to do something, I do it. And when I say I can do something, I can do it. Like there's many people, like I said to you on a previous video, that say they're going to go and buy this bike and they never come through the goods, and you get that in the car scene. They say, oh, they want this car, this is their dream, this, that, the other, and then they never turn up with their dreams. If I say I'm doing something or I say I'm wanting it, I'm going out to get it. I'm going to make it happen. That has been my philosophy because my brain doesn't focus on anything else apart from achieving that. And it's the same way like this video, showing you guys what you guys said wasn't true. So I thought, you know what? Let me do the video and shut you little idiots down. And that's exactly what I done. But there you go, guys. That is proof that my one is lowered and this one isn't, and I'm going to be doing a video showing you how to lower that one, because I know there's many of you that want to lower yours. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.